Konnichiwa. Sawadika.
Shalom.
Makadi and you.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you know what's the secret of a good ratatouille? Of a cooked ratatouille?
No.
Okay, I'll tell you. To let it sit.
Sit.
So, yeah.
I didn't have time.
Yeah. So once you cooked your ratatouille, you let it sit overnight and it will be so tasty.
Yeah, and give it time. Don't let it rush.
So, meaning for a raw vegan ratatouille, it should be exactly the same. Okay, are we ready to cook?
You're ready.
So, let's first
Wash your
prepare. So we prepared everything. We prepared
What we
aubergine, one little baby aubergine, and the funny thing is I had no idea that in Japan actually aubergine is served raw with miso. Just wait with this is for later.
This is tomatoes.
Yeah, they for the sauce, yeah. So what do we have here?
Oh,
Shiitake, loads of shiitake. Then yellow squash, one, organic one. What's that? Paprika. Red paprika or bell pepper. I don't know. We had a paprika, not the bell pepper.
Cucumbers. No, not cucumbers.
No, that is
Paprika.
green paprika. Okay, so we can leave that by the side for now. And then we are sitting today. This is a Tokyo kitchen. You can basically do everything from your seat. Okay? And then Rosie,
Yes.
maybe the kids can do this. You can
Alright.
put in the tomatoes, James. And put all the tomatoes inside. Yep, put them all inside. And then we pre-soak them. So Ethan, you can put them inside. These are about 6 sun-dried tomatoes. And then we have 1 small organic onion and 1 garlic clove. Yeah, it's already inside and minced. And then we choose today.
Mint.
No, wait. Today no mint. Basil and rosemary. Yeah. And what else did we have? Oregano. And last
Mint.
but not least was
Mint.
majoran. Yeah, that's what we have. So all this goes inside here. And most important, okay, Ethan was going to try today. I let him. It's a bit difficult.
So I'm gonna have some help here.
Okay, it's half a lime. Okay, Ethan, squeeze as hard as you can.
James, can you help me?
Okay, Jamesy, can you help him? Squeeze as hard as you can. Okay, take the fingers out.
No, wait.
Okay, squeeze. Okay.
Squeeze.
Okay. Okay, let's do it.
Can I pour these in here?
Not just yet. Okay, let's make some rush. Okay, Ethan, go for your life. Okay, go, push. Pause. Okay, that's it. So, and what did we forget, friends? Salt. Okay, some sea salt, please.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, you can put it in. Maybe Rosie put in some in the green, in the little glass thing, and then James can put it in.
And then I shake.
Yeah, but you never push when the lid is not on, okay?
I was going to fall out.
Yeah, you know what is gonna happen? It's all gonna explode.
And then I can like a bomb. Yeah, and you can take it off of us.
Okay, some salt, please. Okay, James, put it in here. Can you reach up? Okay. And mate kudasai.
And always.
Okay, and then push. Okay, stop. And then we transfer everything into our bowl.
I'll do that. I'll do.
Smells amazing.
Okay, and now wait for it. And now we add all the items. Okay.
Paprika.
Paprika, go in. Okay, next. Green paprika, go in.
Yellow.
Yellow squash, go in.
Taquido.
And go in. And go in, and I think it's too small. Okay, let's see.
Oh, I can do it. I can
No,
do
let
it.
me do it. Let Mama do it because otherwise it's going to be messy. It is still messy. Okay.
I'm gonna pick it up.
Now,
Looks delicious.
Whoa.
okay, we need to invest into a larger small bowl. So I just wanted to talk about something. Raw vegan and vegan with kids. So when my babies were born, for the first 2 years, actually, they grew up in raw vegan food.
Yeah.
But then we went to Australia
And ate meat.
and
Oh, come on.
my parents-in-law, they love barbecues, so my kids started to love meat, and I decided I let them. Now, just a few weeks ago, they actually
Not even.
asked me 3 times for Ratatouille.
Oh, Ratatouille.
Yeah. So what I
And
mean to
don't
say
eat
is,
chicken.
and don't eat chicken. Unbelievable.
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah, right. What I mean to say is that I think the best way is not to force anyone, not your kids, not your husband. Just, make your raw vegan food, enjoy it by yourself, and if your family likes to join in, let them. Okay, now this one here,
Very delicious.
it
as
does
well.
actually,
Very,
so it
very
does look delicious, but we need to let it sit. So we're gonna cover it,
Bye bye.
and we're gonna let it sit
Bye bye.
on the kitchen counter, yeah?
Bye bye Ratatouille. Bye bye Ratatouille. Bye bye Ratatouille. Can I do it? I'm waiting on the wall.